Welcome to our piano lessons. Our goal is to provide informative, fun, and accessible piano instruction. While in-person study with a piano teacher is always best, not everyone can get to or afford that. These videos are made with those people in mind. Our favorite method book is the Faber Piano Adventure Series. On this platform, we are providing material from the lesson books. Keep an eye out for our Patreon page in the near future, where we will provide additional lessons from the performance books and also other great sources. If you like what we are doing, please like, subscribe, and follow, and enjoy. Today's lesson is Two Blackbirds.
I'm a hummingbird. I love to hum, and especially I like to hum along to piano music. Today I'm going to hum quietly to myself while you play a song about a couple of my friends, the two Blackbirds. You can find the song in the Faber Piano Adventures Primer lesson book. This song uses the second and third fingers on the right hand, but hey, I don't have fingers. That's why you will play the song while I hum along. Remember, your thumb is always finger number 1, and we count the fingers from the thumb to the little finger. The little finger is always finger number 5. In Two Blackbirds, we find the two black keys in the middle of the piano with the second and third fingers on the right hand. We play the groups of two black keys as we move higher and higher up the piano. Remember to keep your fingers curved. This song looks and sounds like this.